Hans the Ramenator coming at you with another instant noodle recipe time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Oh, we need our music. I'm kind of out of it. I'll tell you. Yeah, have some tunes. Yeah. So the first one we got going on today. Alright, we have Oriental Kitchen. Okay. By Mama. It's their dried instant noodles, Oriental Kitchen hot Korean flavor. Tastes like hot Korean. I'm guessing you can probably surmise that means it's like spicy, kind of like bulldog, you know. So, got to put those noodles in the hot water. Let's see what we got here. Noodles. Yeah. Flakety flakes. Now it looks like 2 minutes. That looks like it's boiling over, ladies and gentlemen. It's one of those days, I guess. Actually, today's going really well. So, you want to know what's going on? Oh. Got up and, well, last Thursday was my birthday. And one of my goals on my birthday was on my Fitbit to do 20,000 steps. Well, just the time of day ran out and I only did 18,800. It's a lot, you know. It was the most I've ever done in one day. Well, it's noon and I've hit 10,000. So the plan is, once my wife gets home, hopefully she's up for it. But and then, you know, walking around here, I'm gonna try to walk extra. I'm going to try to be very, very inefficient with my travel around the house today. And, you know, I'll probably end up with another 2,000 before she gets home. And then if I do my normal really long walk in the morning, yeah, I'll hit 20,000. That'll be rad. Yeah. But yeah, I'm just like, ugh. A whole lot of walking. It said I had 90 minutes of activity. And that means that you're moving the whole time. I feel beat up. But that's good. I'm down with that. That's kind of the goal. Is to feel kind of beat up. So I'm gonna see, because it's all in Thai, and I have a feeling it's 2 minutes, stir it up, and then do another 2 minutes. So let's see what happens here. Let's see if these noodles are done. Yeah, 2 more minutes, that's for sure. They're so they're calling them dried noodles on here. Dried instant noodles. But that basically just means they're not fried. So usually noodles that aren't fried take longer. It's just the basic. That's the dilly, yo. Yeah. And what else? Miles is at school today. Very happy boy. We got them Kindles. Now they both have 10-inch Kindles. And I gave Mimi hers this morning after we got back. It's amazing. She's 2. She was very gently and deliberately sliding the screen up. Oh, there's an app I want. Click. Waiting for it to install. Then going, ooh! Then clicking on it. Freaking cute. I'm pretty sure I have the absolute cutest kids in the universe. If you disagree, then you're wrong. You know. There's been talk that there's some kind of like chemical that issues from your brain, issues from the brain of a parent to make them think that. No. And I've experienced a lot of different chemicals, so I'm pretty sure there is no, oh, my kid is cute chemical. Because honestly, if my kids weren't cute, I'd be like, oh, put them back. Oh, God. Although, I mean, she has her moments. I mean, she'll scream her head off and get really frustrated and angry and stuff. But she's just being a kid. You know. But anyway. Not to say that Miles can't be a pill himself. Alright, now this... There's no way that that's not done, so... Time to drain. Drain the noodle. Haha. There's our noodle. Then we gotta add this stuff in. I'm having very mixed emotions about these new cups. They're really cool, but they're just so darn deep, and they don't, like, these are staining, which, I mean, that's okay, but the whole point is to make it so you can actually see what's in there, not be distracted by the fascinating craquelure style patterns that are appearing on these little white sake cups. Sake, tea, soju. You could put anything in these small vessels. Alright. Okay. Hey. Oh, that's something I could tell you. So, probably most of you know that I'm legally blind. I can't see for nothing. Hard for me to cross the street. That kind of fun stuff. And I also have a weird thing with my left hand. What is the weird thing with your left hand, you ask? I'll tell you in the next episode if I remember, because I don't think I really have time. Oh, wait a second. Yeah, I might have time because something didn't get done that I wanted to have get done. That's my fault. Alright. So if you look at that, what is the first thing you think? You think Korean, and you see her hot Korean. You're thinking bulldog, I'm sure. Let's give it a try. Yeah, hardcore. Different though. It's interesting. Each company that does a kind of knockoff of bulldog does it a little different, and that one is a little different. I like it. It's good. So that means, ladies and gentlemen, it is time to do this. There we go. Okay. Let's try to get you looking down in there. There you go. Mung bean sprouts. Gotta have some mung bean sprouts. I mean, I think they really work well with spicy Korean, stylish, spicy. as long as there's enough sauce to get the mung bean sprouts not looking like bleached white. And there is. Sometimes it happens that there aren't. Okay, we got noodles in there. There's our egg. Where's our scissors? Damn it! All right. Something like that, I guess. What else we got? And I think today we'll go with, come on, turn back on. There we are. The package was primarily black. This bowl is black. There's some black sesame seed. And since it's spicy, so whenever we go on our walk, we have to stop at the store, and I get my daughter. We go to the bakery at Safeway. It's a supermarket. Anyways, I'm not one of those people that are just gonna go in there and get her, you know, go get your cookie, go harass the nice people, get your free cookie, and then not buy something. So this is micro arugula, which sounded like fun. And actually, I would like to applaud Safeway for actually having micro arugula that's not going to expire tomorrow, but it's going to be around for a couple days at least. I mean, God. But yeah, there you go. And this was sent by the company that makes this stuff in Thailand, whom I visited too. So that's cool. And yeah, thank you very much. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Catch tomorrow's episode and I'll tell you what the crazy heck is going on with my left hand. Bye.